Hello my dear friends, first thing first, I want to tell you a very important thing. You don't need any photo editing application to change the background of any photo. You can change the background of any photo in WhatsApp itself, and that too in just a single click. But how can you do this? Let me show it. First, open your WhatsApp. Now look at the bottom right side. Here you see the icon of Meta AI, so click on it. And near the bottom right corner, you see a camera icon, so click on it. Now select your picture from your phone gallery. And to go to your phone gallery, just click on this picture icon at the bottom left corner. For example, I'm selecting this picture. Now you should give a prompt here. So this is my prompt. Change the photo background and keep a landscape background of the United States. Okay? After writing your prompt, just click on the send button. Now my photo is being generated, so wait for a few seconds. Click on this picture. First you should download this picture. So it's getting downloaded. Now see this picture. That was the original picture. And now this is the background change picture. So this is how you can change your photo background in just a single click. Okay? So I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you found the video a little bit helpful, then hit a like. And if you want to watch more of this kind of helpful and informative videos, then do subscribe to the channel right now. So see you soon in the next video with another helpful content like this. Till then, thank you. Bye bye.